Hi, my dear students. Welcome back. In this lecture here, I want to show you how to link JavaScript. And I'm also going to show you how to write a simple function here just to get you going in JavaScript. Now, this is not going to show you how to code entirely in JavaScript, but it's going to give you an idea on how it works. And you don't have to install anything else. JavaScript is already installed in your browser. All right. So let's go ahead and do it real quick. And I promise you, this is not going to be a 20-minute lecture. All right. So let's go ahead and let's link JavaScript in here. And actually, we can even use JavaScript right here. As a matter of fact, let's just do it right here real quick. And let's do a save as actually. And let's call this file JavaScript. Why not? Right? JavaScript. And I just wanted to introduce you to JavaScript. I do have a course here that will show you JavaScript once you finish HTML. And let's go ahead and we're going to use a tag called script, open and close tag. And this is just going to let the browser know that whatever's in between these tags is JavaScript. Now let's go ahead and write a very simple function, semicolon. So we type in the alert keyword following by parentheses and inside in the semicolon, of course, to close that out. And inside this alert, we're going to type in something, right? We're going to put double quotes because we are typing in words, right? We're typing in words, just very similar to these attributes here. So we're going to say hello. All right. Now, this semicolon is very similar to the semicolon in the CSS, which tells the browser that I'm done with this command. Let's go to the next one. All right. So in many other programming languages, it's also used to do the same thing, just to let you know. So now if I go to the browser and I refresh, we got the hello box right here. This is JavaScript running. All right. Now, some of you might have this blocked in your browser. All right. So for those of you that have it blocked, I have another function that I like to use with you. And we are going to comment this out actually. And I did that by selecting everything and doing the command / or control /. And this is how you do it, 2 forward slashes. That's how you comment stuff in JavaScript. But anyway, so we're going to use another function called document.write parentheses and semicolon to close it. And we're going to do the same thing we did here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. That's it. Let's go back here and refresh. And as you can see, we were able to write hello. Right? So that's one way of using JavaScript. Another way is actually linking this out. So let's use an external file to link this out. And this is what I really wanted to show you, but I got distracted and just show you this function right here because I like showing you stuff. Well, why not, right? The more information you get, the better you're gonna get, and the happier I will be at the end because you're gonna be representing me when you go out there and you're gonna say good things or bad things about me, right? So I want you to say good things, all right? So we're gonna do a script here, tag, and we're gonna close it. All right. Now here we're gonna have something called an attribute, and you know that already, but it's gonna be a source attribute. And of course, you know exactly what we are going to be putting right here, right? Because we did this with the image, right? So we're gonna link a external script file. So for that, we need to make another folder because it's actually best practice to do that. Separate your scripts, your style files or your images and your scripts, right? So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to make a new folder. And we could actually do that from here. Let's just right click here on this sidebar and create a new folder. And let's call this folder, it's right here on the bottom, JS for JavaScript. Enter. Let's right click on this folder and new file. Let's call this script. .js. So make sure you have that extension called .js in there. Now we are not going to need the script tags in here, just like we don't need the style tags in the style sheet, right? Because this is a JavaScript file and we define this by putting the .js at the end, right? That .js extension is going to make this a JavaScript file. So let's go back to that javascript.html and we're going to execute this. So right, what we're going to be doing is linking this file here. So we're going to put the path and / and the name of the file here, script.js. All right, and we are going to be taking this out of here. Actually, I'm going to just comment this out. As a matter of fact, right there. like this, right? So now this should not work. If I go here and I refresh, we don't see anything anymore because this is commented out, right? So now let's go ahead and do the same thing we did here. Let's do it in our JavaScript file, in our script.js. Let's paste that here, and I'm just gonna take that off. I'm gonna actually do the first one first, comment this out, refresh. Actually, I gotta save it. There we go. Refresh again, and you can see that it's coming out. All right, so I'm going to uncomment this and comment this out just to try the second one there. Oops, there we go. And it's already coming up here. So we already have it here. All right, so you can see that we can link external files like scripts and make it work from over there, just like we do with the styles. Right? So I think this is the last lesson for HTML, CSS, and even a little bit of JavaScript there. I hope you were satisfied. In the next lecture, we will be talking about what you should do next and things like that. All right. So anyway, look out for the next lectures, and I'll see you on the next ones. All right. Take care and have a blessing day. Bye bye.